at St. Andy's Point inbound, it had to be at 1,500 feet to come up this valley. Is that correct?
It had to be down by 1,500 by a certain point, but it shows 1,500 all the way in on the map, so...
Okay.
Pretty spectacular, wouldn't you think, Don?
This is spectacular. This is worth the whole trip right here. Even if we don't land, you know? I don't have to land. Now why is he at 3,000 feet?
Because he doesn't have to be down to 1,500 until the point up here. So I set myself up early.
Well, let's see, the wing looks like it's gonna fit between here. I'd say we got a few hundred feet either side of it. And Norm, have you done this before?
What's that?
Noel.
Yeah, many times.
You've come in here out? Yep. Okay, great. I've got two experienced pilots with me.
Yeah, well, I don't know if that helps. There's only one flight.
Yeah, it does.
I've probably only been half a dozen times.
Roger, the wind 2403 to 8 to 15 knots, QNH 102, 4 fixed winds joining from the mouth, first yet to report.
The radio seems very quiet to me, Norm. I can barely hear it.
Check your volume on your headset. Got an adjustment?
Yeah, the intercom's good.
Working very important to maintain at any low level. Roger, I'll just keep an eye on you there. If you just call approaching deep water each time, that'd be good, just so I can keep an eye. Yep, yeah, I don't need weather or anything wrong. Traffic will be good. Roger, yeah, there's 4 fixed wings joining from the mouth, straight in for 1-1 at this stage, and 1 descending to you.
Copy. The 1-1's the runway, correct?
Yep, straight in.
Yeah, I don't think you're going to be doing too much pattern work in here.
Even there, 172 solid steering there. Probably just about full still, I'd say. Oh yeah, I can see one landing light. Approaching foot still there. Tango Juliet Lima, the wind 230 degrees 9 knots, and there is a squall lifting with a sling load to the southwest of the airfield, well clear.
Understood, Tango Juliet Lima.
Delta Victor's just about sealing through 1,700, 1-1, number 2. Delta Victor. And additional traffic is the caravan descending the Tudakoja join, downwind runway 11, just lost it. Appropriate.
Mike Charlie Juliet, after run off Sterling, 1,500, number 3.
Oh, sorry, buddy.
Done it plenty of times before, Normie.
Yes, opportunity to go bridge. 2 down for Dawson 11.
2 Kilo Alpha, roger. The one's heading to short finals, runway 11, followed by Islander and Airman type 2.
Clear behind the last.
Good job, man. Good job.
Here's up, got back traffic, stealing inside, pull, going to behind it.
You are the man. Don't let nobody talk about you.
2 Kilo Bravo, roger. And company traffic is positioning.
Well done, mate.
Copy.
Thank you, Milford.
That's a good little